I am so upset. The brand ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines, well, you know what? He did not publicly acknowledge me. He did not publicly acknowledge content creators. No type of greeting, no type of acknowledgement, just overlooked. Well, you know what? Does that sound ridiculous? Because I think it's absolutely a ridiculous statement. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's cruise comment. And today we're going to talk about self-absorption. People who just get so upset because they weren't acknowledged by one person, mind you, and why they think that a cruise line needs to very specifically come out and acknowledge them over Christmas, over the holiday season. It's beyond me. It really honestly is. The fact that they get upset enough about it that they write in a comment. They write a comment into Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, John Hill, and say, you didn't acknowledge me. You didn't greet me. You didn't talk about my profession. You know how many professions are out there in the world, and how in the heck is one man supposed to acknowledge all of them? Well, this person, like I said, upset that they weren't acknowledged. I have been an admirer and follower of yours for 3 years. Your glaring admission of a greeting or any kind of gratitude for people like me, a nurse at Santa Clara Valley Medical Center, and all frontline workers who are not at home with their families for the holidays, was a slap in the face. Christmas tests me and has the potential to depress me because I have to work. Cruising is my escape. You were so awesome when COVID was with us. I watched your videos all the time, and you always spoke about my profession with so much appreciation. Now, nothing sense. I am saddened by this, and I am sure all those Carnival customers working over the holidays feel the same. Hang your head, John. You have let us down this time. Now, I have heard him acknowledge frontline workers many times, but because they weren't acknowledged specifically at this time because they had to work over the holidays, it's just a slap in the face. Because the brand ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines didn't specifically mention your profession. He did put out holiday messages. He said everybody. They included everybody, including the person that wrote this comment. But no, that's not good enough, because everybody that had to work over the holidays feels exactly the same. Well, you know what? Here's an interesting fact. I'm part of everybody. I had to do some work over the holidays. Not one time did I ever say to myself, hey, wait a minute. The brand ambassador for Carnival Cruise Lines didn't acknowledge me. That thought never crossed my mind. Did you honestly have nothing better to do with your time? Is nothing taking up your thoughts, your emotions, and your day other than thinking about what a brand ambassador didn't say to you over the holidays? Seems like you could have found something else to do, but you know what? Like always, let me throw it out there to you guys. Were you acknowledged by the brand ambassador over the holidays? Did he specifically call out your profession? And if he didn't, do you feel like you got slapped in the face? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious to know how many people felt the slap. All right, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we'll see you out on the high seas.